XRP whales over the last 24 to 48 hours have been dumping their XRP holdings, but that's not the only coin that's been falling. In fact, Bitcoin has stumbled down from 95K all the way to 86, in fact, $85,000. From its highs at 108K, Bitcoin came down 21%, and XRP actually came down right about the same. Let's look at the price action for XRP right now, why the whales have been dumping and why I'm actually not that concerned about it. And I'm looking at all these prices right now as accumulation zones for XRP and my favorite altcoins, which could have a little bit more downside, so we got to explore that a little bit as well. But let's get into the news, guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you want to trade some XRP, I like using Blowfin. I am going to be doing a lot more trading with some of these altcoins. XRP certainly getting in the mix right now, and honestly, looking at a potential long opportunity until we see it shoot back up to maybe $2.35, $2.40 possibly. But I am cautious that there might be a little more downward pressure before we get our big moves to a $5 and a $10 XRP. Let's look at what's going on right now. Here is the story for the day. XRP plunges as the SEC lawsuit drags on and whales dump holdings. And so we do have some big whales that are selling off some of their tokens right now. The reason for it might surprise you, and maybe it won't. First off, we had Robinhood and we had Coinbase get their SEC lawsuits dismissed. That was exciting, but we did not get that come out for XRP or Ripple yet, so that was a bummer. But I think the real reason that the selling off is happening right now, look, large holders known as whales have been unloading their XRP holdings. This is part of the reason that we're getting a move to the downside. But I think the reason that they're all floating right now, and so many people are, is because the situation, this little crypto lull we've had, has just gotten worse because Donald Trump just reaffirmed his tariffs on Canada and Mexico, 25% tariffs, which is causing some uncertainty in the market. And so that is bringing this, as you can see here, risk-off mood. But you put that into conjunction with what we have going on with the Fed and their policies, the fact that the XRP lawsuit, Ripple lawsuit is the only thing that's still ongoing, really, besides, we had Robinhood go to the side, we had Coinbase kind of go to the side. You'd think the Ripple case would be over, but it's still not. I do think that it's coming soon. When that thing gets alleviated, I think it's going to bring a big pump for XRP and possibly for crypto. But Bitcoin is king in this market. There's no doubt about it. And if Bitcoin wants to keep coming down, there's not much we can do to stop it, really. And so let's look at the price action on XRP right now. As I've been saying, we could easily come back up to $2.35 here. We might see this thing revisit somewhere into the $2.40 region, which you can see was resistance there, kind of been some resistance. So 235 to 240 is kind of my short term. If you were longing XRP, price levels, the best place to take along obviously would have been a little bit lower. We wicked all the way down to $2 again earlier today. And this is something that I called out for you guys. I was telling you guys, be careful. You could easily see XRP come back down to $2, and it did. It tested down to $2 earlier. That would have been the best opportunity for a long position. It's a level that I've been talking about for a while with the XRP token. Of course, we've come down to this $2 range several times, actually, as you can see throughout back to December, tapping back down to the 190s, $2 range. That was a good opportunity for a long. And now looking at a potential, rally up to like 235, maybe 240 and change. But then here's the problem. Bitcoin is actually looking like it might want to revisit possibly the 2021 highs or our 2024 March highs. Also, you've got our total market cap, which is right now below $3 trillion, wanting to have a weekly candle retest off the top of the 2021 highs for total market cap, which is at about 2.84. And we've got our highs that we can test back from March of 2024 for total market cap, which is 2.7 trillion. So what am I telling you? I'm telling you that even though I'm looking for little long opportunities on this dip, that time is running out and you had your long opportunity right there. I would be looking potentially for, again, yes, unfortunately, a little bit of a short if we saw Bitcoin breaking through some key levels. The key level I'd be looking out for Bitcoin would be really back down to the bottom of this wick, 85K. If we slip past 85K, Bitcoin is easily coming back down to 76, maybe even 68 or $73,000. And if that happens for Bitcoin, keep an eye on that. You're going to see XRP falling quite a bit lower. The good news is that Bitcoin dominance is falling down, which means that altcoins are actually showing some strength even in this downward move for Bitcoin. So you got to feel good about that. But in terms of a long position, you could still be entering a long position for a very short period of time, though. This area for a long right now at this very moment is much riskier than having had opened up a long here at this $2 flat range, or $2.10. Could have had a beautiful opportunity to make a long position there. But that window is kind of very much closing as we are kind of getting to the top of this range. Again, thinking maybe we'll get up to like 233, 235, maybe 240 before we kind of see maybe a move back down to the downside. Well, how do we go back to the upside? And I'm talking about the short term, guys. If we want to go back up to the upside, you're going to need to see Bitcoin reclaim like $90,000. We're going to need to see Bitcoin get back up kind of above the bull market support band, which is really at about $90-ish thousand. And we are right now below that. We need to get back up that. We need to get above that today, or else we could be seeing some downside. So keep an eye on the daily candle close for Bitcoin. If we close back above 90, we could easily see XRP getting back up to the $2.40 range by the end of the day or into tomorrow. However, right now I am looking for us to hold above $2. If we can hold above $2 and Bitcoin can get back above 90K, I feel like we could get moves back to the upside. But honestly, guys, I am feeling something in my gut is saying we have to be cautious right now for a 74K Bitcoin potentially coming back down to the downside. What does this mean for XRP holders? Well, it means you've got more buying opportunities before we get to $5 or $10 XRP, or if you think it's going to go higher, you're buying it now because you know that from $2, if it goes to $10, that is a 5x. That's a beautiful gain on your money, a tremendous opportunity. And what that means also in the meantime is we've got this volatility. You can make some money to continue to DCA into this market, whether you're longing it or shorting the market. Now is the time to be looking for some short positions. Honestly, you had a great long position you could have had earlier today. Maybe a little bit of a long you can have right now, but I'm gearing up for a potential another short on XRP in the short term because I believe XRP is going to go a lot higher. But instead of just DCAing in with fresh capital into my favorite altcoins and just taking cash and putting it into something that's going down, and that's great, by the way, you get dollar cost averaging opportunities. I'm also taking some of the money that's my play money, my trade money in crypto, and doing some trades to try to earn some more capital by doing trades according to where XRP is going to go next, taking advantage of the volatility, as so many people do like to do in this crypto space. That's one of the beautiful things about it is the volatility that we have, and it's absolutely fun to take advantage of. If you want to take advantage of the volatility and trade XRP with us, there is right now a $5 million prize pool, and there's super awesome prizes that you can get besides the money. I believe I was talking to Maxi. Apparently, there's like a Rolex that you can get as a part of this trading competition. It's measured on trading volume, and so the more volume you do, actually, the more potential chance you have to win. But be careful. Set your stop losses, guys. Make sure you're winning these trades. Liquidations are what got us down to these low levels. If you were on the right end of that trade and you were shorting it, you're making a ton of money right now. But we got to look at these key levels moving forward. That is all I have for you in this one. I want to give you guys an update on the price action for XRP in this video and where my mind's at with the market today. I remain bullish on cryptocurrency. I do not think that the bull market is over, but I am cautious right now in terms of any long-term long trades on XRP as this market is signaling some potential downside. If we do get our daily candle close for Bitcoin a little bit higher, I could feel more optimistic about a reversal back to the upside, but I remain cautious right now. Let me know your thoughts on XRP and this market overall in the comments down below. That's all I got for you in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCI HODL. Do your own research, my friends. As always, nothing I say is financial advice, but I'll see you in the next one. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. See you next time.